If you're already posting your outfit of the day on social media, but you're only getting likes and no money, this video is for you because in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down how my outfit of the day made me $248.93. Let's get right into it. Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Nikki. If you are returning, welcome back. Now you heard me correctly. Your girl on April 2nd, I think it was, I made $248.93 from a little outfit of today. It wasn't nothing extraordinary or anything like that. I was just about to go to the eye doctor and I got dressed and I wanted to share what I was actually wearing. I'm gonna actually prop up on the screen exactly the outfit of the day that I actually did that made me that amount of money. Now, I do what is called affiliate marketing, and basically that's just like me sharing what I like, what I love, and things like that online to an audience that may be interested in the same thing. And then I use a affiliate marketing network to actually grab an affiliate link, and then I share that link on social media, in my blog posts. I share it online in general, and if someone is interested in the items that I'm actually sharing, they click on it, they buy it, I actually earn a small commission from it. So I know a lot of you have been posting your outfit of the days on social media, but you're only getting likes and no money, and I want to help you change that. So the very first thing that you need to do is you need to apply to an affiliate marketing network. Now I use LTK. I'm kind of biased when it comes to LTK. I love me some LTK, but I also use Walmart Creator as well. I've also used Amazon, but there are many different affiliate marketing networks. I've actually put together a list of affiliate marketing networks. So I'm gonna tag that down below in the description box. Make sure you check that out. That's a free list for you to go and apply to some affiliate marketing networks. So the next time that you do your outfit of the day post, you'll get likes, but you'll also make some money as well. The most important thing, really, to be honest, is the content. You have to have some type of content to put inside of these affiliate marketing networks, so that way you can actually grab a link. So let's just start there. What type of content are you going to be creating? So for this example, we're doing outfit of the days. Now, when I'm thinking about an outfit of the day, I'm not like just literally thinking about an outfit of the day. I'm thinking about multiple different pieces of content that I can get from this one outfit of the day. So one piece of content may be just me up in my room getting dressed or pulling the clothes off the racks like I did here, and then putting it on, basically like a get dressed with me. Another piece of content could be me downstairs in my living room and standing in the mirror, and I'm just walking and kind of like showing the item a little bit up close. Another piece of content could be me taking pictures of the me in the outfit. Another piece of content could be me at the eye doctor place, and I'm just sharing a vlog of me getting dressed and going to this eye doctor place with this outfit on. I can get so many different pieces of content from one outfit, and that's what I want you to think about it as well. I want you to look at one outfit as how many different pieces of content can I get from this one outfit, because this is gonna be different ways that you can make money from it. Now, sometimes people gotta see you one time in the outfit and they be like, oh, that look good, let me go ahead and buy it. But sometimes people gotta see you 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 20 times in the outfit before they actually go over and buy it. And instead of you trying to put that outfit back on and create new content around it, while you already is in the outfit, get multiple different angles, get multiple pieces of content from that one outfit. Just make that one outfit like just maximize it. That's exactly what it is that I do, and I'm going to be showing you, because we're going to be uploading this outfit again, but in a different way that I have done it. So I'm going to be screen sharing, and I'm going to prop up on the phone exactly how it is that I do it. So we already talked about the content. That's the most important thing. And then you need to apply to the affiliate marketing network. So now that you've gotten accepted into LTK, hopefully, if you need a referral, I'm going to put my referral down below as well. So that should help you out. But I'm going to be utilizing LTK for this example, because all of these items that I'm wearing is different brands, and Walmart not gonna like that, and Amazon may not like that as well. They may want you to share specific items to that particular store. That's why I love LTK, because you can tag multiple different brands in one content. So as you can see, let me screen share, get that on. As you can see, I went downstairs in my mirror and I just walked and kind of twirled around, kind of showed the outfit or whatever like that. I didn't say a thing, and that's the video that we're actually going to be posting today. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit the next, and that's going to take me over to this screen, and it's going to say, do you have permission, to post this audio on LTK? And if you don't, you can mute it, and I can hit got it, and then I'm gonna mute it by just putting the mute button up at the top, and I'm gonna click on next right there. And then once everything uploads, it should take me over to the LTK platform. So I'm going to see exactly if it takes me over to the LTK platform, which it actually does. Now, right here, you can go ahead and select the cover. All you can do is you can upload one from your phone, or you can actually scroll to where you want the video to actually stop and show. So I'm going to stop mine right there because that's usually what I actually do. And I'm going to click on done. And then I'm going to add a caption. Now I'm going to do outfit of today. And I'm going to do a little heart because people may be searching outfit of the days on LTK. I'm not exactly sure. But in this caption box, you want to be putting keywords. So now I'm going to go into what it is that I'm actually wearing, and I'm going to try to use keywords. I'm not just going to put brown shirt, jeans, that type of thing. I'm going to be putting it into like a storytelling type of vibe. So I'm going to say I'm wearing a brown sleeveless shirt with high-waisted distress jeans, brown Von Dutch, trucker hat, cow print, Von Dutch, mini purse, and cow print Steve Madden, because believe it or not, people are searching brands on LTK. Cow print Steve Madden sneakers. And that's going to be my caption. I have a whole lot of different keywords in there. Brown sleeveless, I meant to say sleeveless shirt, high-waisted distress jeans, Von Dutch trucker hat, Von Dutch mini purse, Steve Madden sneakers, cow print is a keyword as well. So I'm going to have all of these keywords inside of the caption, but I'm going to make it conversational where it's like a real sentence and not just words on the screen. Now, also with the hashtags, these hashtags are to drive discovery. This is how you're able to be found. So it's an outfit of today. So I'm going to do LTK outfit of today. I'm also over 40, so I want to, share fashion over 40 for people that, may be looking for, over 40 fashion ideas. So I'm going to do over 40, and then usually I do LTK petite because I am 5'1", and, I'm petite. So maybe I should put that in up here as well. I'm going to put I'm 5'1". Just in case somebody comes across my video and they may be wondering how tall am I. I'm 5'1", 140 pounds. Because somebody may be shaped like me. Somebody may weigh the same much as me. Somebody may be my same height. And they may want the items that I'm actually wearing. So I'm going to put that there. And I'm going to click on done. And then I'm going to come down to tag products. Let's just say you do not know exactly where you got these products from. But you know the name of the items because you already just listed it in the caption. What you're going to do if this is your very first time with doing anything on LTK, you want to go down to brand site. And this is where all of the brands are on LTK. So when I don't know what something is, I usually just go on Amazon because, Amazon sells everything. And I just type in something or describe the item. So let's just go to Amazon. I go to Amazon and then I search brown sleeveless tops for women. Let's just see brown sleeveless top for women, and the shirt is kind of like a knit material. So let's say brown sleeveless knit or crochet. Let's try crochet. Let's see. what comes up. And as you can see, all of these tops are actually comes up. This may be something that's a little similar or whatever. It's not the exact one, but it's something similar. With LTK lights, LTK, you can actually post similar item. It don't have to necessarily be exact item. So I'm going to go over and I'm going to tap on select, and then I'm going to go to folder. And you want to make sure you already have some folders there. I just break my folders into different categories. If you don't have a folder, you can tap on the plus button and type in shirts, or you can tap in Amazon shirts, or you can tap in Amazon, whatever relates back to whatever the item you are trying to tag. You want to put it in the category because you want to continue on posting this shirt when you're posting this type of outfit. So I'm going to go back to my folders. I already have a shirt folder, and I'm going to put it in the shirts. And I want to tap on save, and then I'm going to tap on add product to post. Now, let's just say you're already posted this outfit before and you want to tag the shirt that you shared before. All you have to do is exit out of here, go back to publish post, and then whatever post that you've used before, you could just come down to that post. And here's the post right here. And I can just scroll down to whatever the shirt is that I actually want to tap on. And then I can add that to the product or to my post as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and go and find the jeans as well. So we're going to do the same exact thing. You could do this multiple different ways, but I'm just showing you how I normally would do it. Go down to the jeans. We're going to go to brand sites. Now, I know the jeans came from Walmart. I'm just not sure if they are still in stock. So when I go to Walmart jeans, I'm going to go to Jessica Simpson because they are Jessica Simpson distressed jeans. I can't think of the name, the exact name right now. But I go to the Jessica Simpson jeans and try to find something that is similar or the exact pair. I don't see anything that's coming up right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back to the post that I've previously posted because I know it's on there because, you know, I knew the name then. I just can't think of the name right now. So when I go to the post right here, I'm going to go down and I'm going to tap on the jeans. Those are the jeans right here. It's just in a different wash. And I'm also going to add other jeans as well that people may be interested in. So as you can see, I have other jeans listed. I'm going to tap on those too. And then we're going to look for the bag and then the hat. Now, I know I got the hat and the bag from Amazon. So those are things that I can actually tap on the product, tap on tag products, and then go over to brand sites. Go to Amazon. You can go to Von Dutch, brown and pink, trucker hat. And right here, as you can see, it says that I purchased in March 2026. I actually did. So I'm going to click on that. That's the exact item. If you're already logged into Amazon, you can just go to your recent orders and you can pull it up that way. And what you want to do is just tap on select. Everything is going to come up again. You want to save to folders. Hopefully you have a hat folders. I do. So I click on save to hats. Press save and then add product to post. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the purse too. Now I know I already have the purse saved, hopefully. So I'm just going to go to my folders, go down to Amazon finds because I got the purse in Amazon finds. And I'm going to click on the purse that I actually is wearing in the content. Click on done. Add to post. Do the same thing over again for the shoes. Go to my folders, go to sneakers, and go to the Steve Madden sneakers. It's that one and that one. Sometimes when it's sold out in another store, I always try to find it in another store just in case somebody actually is interested. I don't know if Steve Madden may restock, but I also want to have the original brand where I actually got them from on there as well, just in case Steve Madden restock the item. Now, when I come over to tag products, this is where you want to make sure you are tagging whatever is the exact item and what is a similar item. So because I know that the only thing that is the exact item is the hat, the bag, and the sneakers, those are going to be the only thing that I tag. And then I'm going to click on add to post. Now when you come down, you will see that you see the ones that says exact, and then you see the other ones are just similar items, just in case people want to, buy similar jeans. Now even though those jeans, those Jessica Simpson jeans, are the exact item, it's not the exact colorway that I'm actually wearing. Those are like a vintage wash, and the one that I actually have is a light wash or a medium wash. The next thing that I do is basically just click on publish, and now that video is up and ready to go out into the world. Now I'm going to show you how I do that with putting the video out there into the world. So we got to wait for this video to actually upload and post, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how I potentially make money from my outfit of today. Now, I completely forgot that LTK is down. I don't know what's going on with the video content. It's still saying upload. Earlier today when I tried it, it had said that there was an error message. So I just went ahead and posted a photo of me in that same mirror, still with that same exact outfit or whatnot. And I'm still going to share with you exactly what it is that I would do with that particular photo. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to Facebook, because that's pretty much where I do my affiliate marketing when it comes to LTK. And I'm gonna screen record and get that up there. And basically I'm gonna click on the plus. I'm gonna click on create a post. I'm gonna tap on photo and video, and then I'm gonna scroll down to where the outfit is. Once I get to the outfit, let's see. So this is the outfit that I'm actually going to be sharing. Once I get to the outfit, I'm just going to do outfit of today. Outfit of today. And I'm going to do the brown heart as well. And then I'm going to share the same exact thing that I did on LTK. I'm wearing a sleeveless brown shirt, high-waisted distressed jeans, Von Dutch trucker hat, Von Dutch cow print mini purse, cow print Steve Madden sneakers, and then I'm going to tap on next, and then I'm just going to tap on post. Now once I tap on post and it goes to my page, I go to my side, to my profile, and see if it actually posts. And now that I see that it actually posts, I'm going to go down to the comments, and then I'm going to go back over to LTK, and then I'm going to tap on the arrow that's pointing up, and that will allow you to share your link. So I do copy link only, come back over to Facebook, and I can put outfit of the day, and then I'm going to have a little arrow, and then we're going to paste our link. And then when I post it like that, this is what is actually in the comments. So if anybody come across this outfit of today on Facebook and they like it, they can click on it right there. This is pretty much how I turn my outfit of today into money. Now, it don't just stop there. If you're on YouTube, you can actually create a video and post it on there as well. If you post on Instagram, you can post it there as well. TikTok, Pinterest. I actually have a Pinterest playbook sharing my exact strategy on how I use Pinterest to make money using affiliate marketing, especially LTK. So if you are interested in that, I will tag that down below. But that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.